Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be updating you guys on the two accounts or five accounts that I'm trading. I'm trading three combines and then two XFAs. Yeah, this video is just a little update on my trading, I guess. I'm not too sure if you guys can hear me. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. Um, yeah, so let's just get into the update, I guess. All right, so today it is March 11th, and it's 4:52 p.m. Market opened at 2 p.m. So like 3 hours ago, or 2 hours ago. Yeah, 3 hours ago, almost 3 hours ago. I did not trade today. Yeah, I did not trade today. The reason why I didn't trade today is because the price action was looking shit. It was pretty choppy, to be honest. It was ranging up and down from 24 900 to 25 154. So it was like, didn't want to take trade. Honestly, it did present one opportunity did present itself at market open, basically 6:30, but my alarm didn't go off because I had DND on, and I did not know it would. I did not know it wouldn't go off if your phone was on DND. So I woke up around like 7 a.m., 7:09, 7:06, around there. And so if we look at 7, yeah, see, it didn't really do anything. I was gonna go for buys, but then I was like, nah, because then we have a false break of the Asian high, and I think we had an SMT too as well. Yeah, we had SMT, bearish SMT. So honestly, not analysis. What is it? My bias switched to bearish. So I was looking sells from around here at the 1 hour imbalance. But then I was like, I don't know if I should take a trade today because it is 8 a.m. and it's not really ideal, to be honest. I knew it was going to take these lows eventually, these equal lows, just because like we have, like the market structure, like I knew that shit is like bound to come for a retracement to go higher. So, yeah, but it wasn't dropping when the time I was trading in the AM sessions. It just barely took the lows like when market just opened. So I did not trade today. I'm happy that I did not take a trade at all. I would have got caught up in some bullshit, some chop. There was also an entry on US30. I feel like US30 was more cleaner price action than NAS 100. It was like clearly making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. I would have liked if it had a false break of the Asian high, just like NAS would have, but then it never did. So, and then when I came to the chart for US30, we were around at this, like down at this over here at this level near the previous day low. So I was like, fuck, it's at the previous day low. It can probably have a false break to go even higher, false break of the previous day low to go even higher, but then it didn't. So, and I didn't really like the price action on this shit too as well. But for like market structure wise, like lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower highs. I mean lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower highs. Fuck, I can't talk. But anyways, yeah, market structure on this chart on US30 was better than NAS 100 in my opinion. But I did not take any trades. So, but enough yapping. Let's get to the account real quick. I'm gonna log in. All right. So I'm in the account. Keep in mind, I'm trading with 2 XFAs and 3 combines. So everything I make 5 times wise is basically 2 times because I'm only making profits on the 2 XFAs, if that makes sense. Damn, my neck hurts, bro. Alright, so let's get to the details. So here is the balance. Here is the balance. The balance is at 1700. The win rate's kind of suffering a little bit. I could get it a little bit up. I forgot the last video I updated you guys on. I forgot what I said on the last video, but anyways, yeah, this is on this account, and then 1,700 on that account, and then on the exit phase, I'm 63 in profit. Honestly, almost blew these freaking combines, like on yeah, last week, bro. I was going through hell. I was going to tail on these fucking these combines, low key, but I bring it back to the green with just simple risk management. Thank God I did not crash out even more on last week, because honestly, last week price action was not it, bro. Shit was not it. But this week is kind of a little bit better. It's kind of getting a little bit better. But yeah. So this is the balance on the combines. They basically break even. Basically, I mean, I only have 1,500 left of drawdown. I don't know why. If it's break even, I don't know. It's weird. I can easily make it back, and then I can easily pass these accounts. But honestly, judging like I almost like freaking came so close to blowing these accounts. I do not want to like have the expectation of passing these accounts. So I'm gonna just take it super slow and like just actually like lock in with these accounts. Cause bro, making five times of whatever you make in a trade is fucking lit. Like, I need to get to that point. But yeah, let me show you the X phase. These, yeah, for the month I'm up to 600. It's not much, but I did bring myself from a drawdown from last week. I took 12 trades last week, which is fucking it's a lot, but it's not a lot, because I added on, this position. Yeah, I added on this position. I usually risk 2 micros, which is basically $200. And then added another 2 micros because like I knew that shit was gonna go to the downside. And then yeah, so I basically broke even on this day. And then I just kind of like, yeah, I just kept on like losing on these days. These 2 days right here weren't ideal to trade. Honestly, I just like I forced trades. I forced like the trades on these 2 days. So those, if I didn't trade these 2 days, I would have been green. I would have been much more green, honestly. But yeah, that goes to show you less is more, and like taking the right setups and being patient, and yeah, not forcing a trade is better than, you know, losing a trade and like getting to that mindset and like freaking like, oh shit, damn, I just lost, I need to make it back and all that shit. That is fucking, yeah, that's not where you want to be, bruh. Don't put yourself in that situation where like you're questioning yourself and like you get like freaking sad and all that shit. And like, you know, if you know that it's not a high probability day, don't take a trade. Like today, for example, today was not a high probability day just because of the accumulation. Where was that at though? Yeah, so these, yeah, if I were to completely ignore these 2 days, I would have been much more green. I probably would have took a payout by now. But honestly, yeah. So that's where I'm at with the accounts right now. I know it's not really a big ass update, but it's just something like I just need to get off my mind, to be honest, and like just put it on like visual evidence that like where my what is it, goals, not goals, but like I don't know what I'm trying to say, to be honest. Like visual proof of like stepping stones. There we go. Yeah, so that's pretty much it with this video. Pretty much it for this video. That's all I have to update you guys with. And that's all I'm gonna leave you guys with. What was I gonna say? that's pretty much it. To be honest, we don't have news tomorrow. Oh yeah, we do have news tomorrow, 5:30. But that's not really shit. It's probably not gonna do anything anyways. And we have no news on Friday. I mean, Seth, these ones right here. Job Jolts opening. Yeah. And then next week. Okay, if I let me see. Okay. I feel like next week's gonna be good too as well. Monday and Tuesday, so it has been hitting me for past for this week. So hopefully next week is hitting. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next in the next video. This is probably gonna be the payout video. Fingers crossed. No expectations though. Yeah, peace out.